Hey there guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'll be showing you how to make any text on Canva and uppercase text with the help of Canva tools. So the first thing you need to do is open up the Canva website and then head over to your project. And after that just navigate your way here to the text option and then create a text box and then just write anything here. So let's just make it a bit bigger, so put it in the middle. So after that just click on the text and bold it, and you will see the option for uppercase here. Just click on it and your text will be uppercased automatically. So that's it. That's how you uppercase any kind of text on Canva in that pretty easy process. So that's it with the video guys. I hope it helps you. Thanks for watching and take care.